Locomotive is red hot as we take a look at that starting lineup, and there is the three-headed monster up top, Armando Moreno, who leads the team with 3 assists. Indy 11, not. But this is a team with lots and lots of experience as we see Aiden Quinn, Murphy, O'Brien, Jack Blake. Lots of very familiar names a part of this lineup as we get ready to get things going and underway at Southwest University Park. Locomotive FC looking to continue that red-hot home form. Jack Blake can score from there, but Locomotive in transition. Moreno puts it in the far corner. Locomotive. Torres swings one around. That's touched in and over the bar. Beautifully worked. Ortiz was there. That's what they wanted. Beautifully done. Right off the training ground. Along the ground, catches Indy 11 totally. On the run. Cabrera, long cross, top of the slot, and another score. Beautifully worked, and it's Calvillo. Again, Locomotive taking advantage. The shot tipped away. Sulte. And there it is. Halftime whistle blows. Locomotive on the board as we take a look at both of the scores tonight. Coming back from USA. Foster, the step over into the area. Malik Foster rolls it off the post. Collier stopped by Jamali Waite. What a save to him. But the cover provided by the Jamaican international. Foster beats Waite, but not the post. Jamali Waite keeps that, but that is wide on the return and a goal kick coming. A few seasons ago, 7 goals. As Locomotive comes up here, and it rolls. DeRoma puts it in the back of the net. Frank DeRoma nails it shut for the hosts. Edward Kissick coming on, the former Riverhounds man, who comes in for Malik Foster. Here's Lindley. In swinging ball to the far post, that's knotted down and knotted in. Edward Kissick. And it will be Lindley. Indiana native out of Carmel. Out swinging ball to the far post, knotted down, straight to Waite. Rolls that one up. That is an awkward challenge. Lopez in, but we play on. Indy 11 knocked over. Romario Williams chested down. Oh, what a stop by Jamali Waite. Crossing. Because again, scooped in off the top of the bar. Has gotten that. Coronado earns the foul. And that is it. Locomotive improves to 4-2-4. A 3-1 win.